With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here the question is given to us. It is prove that x to the power 3p plus x to the power 3q plus 1 plus x to the power 3r plus 2 is exactly divisible by x square plus x plus 1 if pqr is given to us integer. So first we have to find that this equation is r divisible by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, and we know that the root of this equation are nothing but we can find the root of this as nothing. It is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 upon 2. Okay, so the root value of the root, it is plus minus root 3 iota upon 2. So from here first root is nothing but it is minus 1 minus root 3 iota upon 2, that is equals to r omega, and root second is minus 1 plus root 3 iota upon 2, and it is equals to omega square. Okay, so it is given, we have to prove that this equation is exactly divisible by this equation. So so if the root of this equation satisfies this equation also, then we say that our equation is exactly divisible by this equation. So equation given to us is f of x, that is given to us is, it is x to the power 3p plus x to the power 3q plus 1 and plus x to the power 3r plus 2. Okay, so now since this is the given equation to us, now we will put f of omega in this question because first root is our omega. So on putting the f of omega, it is omega to the power 3p and it is omega to the power 3q plus 1 and it is plus omega to the power 3r plus 2. Okay, since we know that omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, our equation f of omega can be written as, it is omega 3 to the power p plus omega 3 to the power q into omega, and it is plus omega 3 to the power r into omega square. Okay, so from here this value will be equals to 1 and this value is all equals to omega and this value is equals to omega square. So from this equation we can see that since x1 equals to omega is the root of this equation, so this value will be, it is omega square plus omega plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here our value of this f of omega is equals to 0. Okay, now the second one is given to us, second root is omega square. So on putting the f of omega square in fx, it is f of omega square, it will be omega square to the power 3p plus omega square to the power 3q plus 1 and it is omega square to the power 3r plus 2. Okay, now this equation can be written as, it is omega to the power 3 2p and it is omega to the power q, it is 2q dot omega square and it is omega to the power 3 2r dot omega to the power 4. Okay, so now the value of omega cube is 1, so this value is 1. Omega cube is 1, so this value is omega square, and since omega this value is 1, omega to the power cube is 1, so omega to the power 4 can be written as omega cube dot omega, so value of this will be omega. So since we already seen about that this value of this equation 1 plus omega square is nothing but it is equals to 0. So we have found that f of omega is equals to 0 or f of omega square is also equals to 0. So from here we can say that by factor theorem our f of x is divisible by, it is divisible by x square plus x plus 1. So hence it is proved. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.